So here's the demonstration of my horn. I have a small compressor mounted right in my rack of my bags, and that leads to a tank that is connected underneath, which happens to be yes, a fire extinguisher. This is the valve that releases the air. It's disconnected right at the moment, and that leads over to the two air horns. Stuck a piece of paper in there so we can see how the air comes out, and this is the original horn. So with that disconnected, it should just be the horn, which is, so that's fine. That's the air compressor coming on for a second because it detected that I had hit the horn. Okay, now let's plug this in, and then let's listen to the horn. That'll wake them up.